What's up? Is Jeff Dog here, and what's up? Okay, what's up? It is Jeff Dog here, and well, if you hear some loud booming songs, that's because there's a storm outside, and also I'm in a house that's very quiet apparently, and I think I'm gonna go outside in one of these videos, and if you hear anybody else coming inside, please try to ignore them. But today we're going to today I am going to make a new base design using a Clash Clans the app that I found. Okay, so let's do this. What?
Sitting in here talking to yourself.
Oh my god. Come go outside. Sorry about that. Someone walked in and I had to walk out. But dang, my phone won't stop with it. Okay, there we go. But now it's probably gonna be hard to hear me because I'm outside and in the storm. But let's try to do this. Okay, so now. My phone's lagging a little bit. Okay, so let's edit this layout. Ignore that layout. You do not see that layout. Let's get rid of that. Okay, so now let's see if I can do it like I was doing before. Let's see here. Okay, so now, I know it's kind of hard to see what I'm doing, but well, it might be for me at least. Wait, where's my TH? I lost my TH. Okay, there it is. I'll do that work. Okay, I was doing it right. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna do it from here because the way I originally planned to do it seemed not to work, and I think my screen's a little bit small. But let's do it. Okay. Luckily, I can zoom in. Okay. I actually got this design from, I don't know if anybody else uses that, but it's called like Clash of Clans app design or something like that. And I just found this one, so I decided to use it. And hope everyone likes it. Well, not likes it, but you know what I mean. I hope you all know what I'm trying to say. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Also, something else I wanted to say. Don't you wish that, like, whenever you had some walls and you run out of one type, and it doesn't, and you wish it would automatically go to the other one? I kind of wish it did that. That'd be awesome. That way you wouldn't have to sit there and switch back between buildings and walls and all that stuff. Yeah, it's just annoying. the hell? I'm confused now. What? Oh, okay. I feel like a true idiot. Okay. Well, I'm slowly maxing this out. I need to buy gems, but unfortunately, I cannot seem to save up the right amount of money. And also, I found out my voice sounds so weird whenever I'm recording these videos. Let me stop this over. Also, I'm just starting out trying to understand how to use the editing part of this recording app that I found. But I'm trying. Don't blame me, I'm trying. I think that's a little bit too high. Yep, too high. God, it does have to be a little bit too high. Dang it. Also, I've noticed you can hear me breathing like in the background, and it was kind of weird. But I'm trying my best on these YouTube videos. I know I may not be the best YouTuber or anything, but like I said, I'm trying. This is a lot harder than it looks. It's a lot harder than it looks to be a great YouTuber. I have learned that. Well, I already knew that, but like now I'm actually learning it. But I don't think this is the best design, but I think I'm just gonna go with it for now. Also, I need to get some gems. I actually was planning on upgrading my town hall, but then I felt like that would be stupid because then I need to max out my collectors, and then I thought that would be stupid because I would end up being this account would end up being rushed like my big one. And I do not want that happening. I actually need to max out everything. I don't even know if I'm doing this right, to be honest. So I'm just gonna do it like that. Yeah, I don't think I'm doing that right. I was actually thinking of doing something stupid at the end of every video. Like, say, that's all, folks. Like they do with the cartoon on the Looney Tunes and stuff. But then I discovered that would be a stupid. That was stupid. Yeah, I think I just messed up the faces in a really badly. Yep. That's the inside of that. Nice to go like that right there. This is very confusing to me. I've noticed that a lot of people that are like higher levels and stuff, I've noticed that they gym a lot of things. And I'm not the kind of guy that wants to sit there and just gym everything all day, even though I want to. It's like, I'm not that kind of guy.